How to add bank on your PayPal account. Are you guys facing issues to link your bank account on PayPal application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open PayPal on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, now look at the right bottom of your screen where you can see this option for wallet. Click on it. After you click on wallet, tap on add credit cards. You can see the option for bank and debit and credit cards. You are looking to add bank, right? Click on bank. Now click on go to our website. Once you enter the website, over here you need to fill up your details, your registered email and password. Once you fill up the details, you'll be able to link your bank details over there. Once you linked it, you'll be able to see a bank account on PayPal app. And that's it, guys. That's how we're gonna link our bank account on PayPal application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And if you guys have any issues regarding PayPal, make sure to comment down below. Bye bye.